Pleasant weekend, guys. This is the big one. When you think about St. Thomas redevelopment, bringing to you all the action that is happening to rejuvenate and open up St. Thomas. A lot of people excited about the development that's taking place. Guys, this is the big one and you must watch till the end. Check it out. Of course, this is the section of the Southern Coastal Highway that runs from Harborview to Yalas, 4-lane. And this will definitely give St. Thomas the boost that it needs. Check it out, guys. See that? Look at that, guys. Whole lot of things happening. Look at that monster excavator up there. Digging away. Look at that, guys. Look at what is happening in St. Thomas. We're getting road finally. No one can complain, say, yo, things now go on at St. Thomas. This is encouragement for those who yet to invest and is contemplating. Check out Wagwan right from the action. Yeah, man, you know how long we have been waiting for something as good as this. Guys, this is very, very good. And the man, them a work fast, like really fast. So when you see stuff like this, man, it's a good feeling, you know? Doesn't get any better than this. As I can see, trucks pulling aggregates. It is indeed a good feeling. So this mega project will definitely open up St. Thomas to the rest of Jamaica, and it will definitely bring us into, you know, modern Jamaica, because trust me, we had a rough time, or we have been having a rough time with the road, and you see the floodings are gone and everything. Only now to see, guys, where we are actually. Look at that. Yeah, man, it is a good feeling. Why things are happening. If you look in the distance, you can see the water truck wetting the road. So you know, so it looks really good. So the man don't have all them equipments. So St. Thomas is finally getting the attention it needs. The construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. Guys, this is very exciting. Very, very good thing this one. So guys, I don't know if you can see that because of the intensity of the light, but the tractor is working. So as you can see, St. Thomas are going. We really are make progress. We are heading in the right direction. So this, guys, is the bypass for the old route. China Harbour is doing this project, and this is the mega construction of the Southern Coastal Highway. Guys, this is very good. This is exciting actually to see progress being made in St. Thomas. Why, we're grateful. So as you can see, guys, those massive equipments being used. That's not a normal piece of equipment. So guys, this is the section along which the Southern Coastal Highway will run. Mega construction, of course. It's exciting feeling. Doesn't get any better than this. Guys, remember, this is St. Thomas, the section of the Southern Coastal Highway that is being built. Remember to subscribe to support the channel. You won't see this anywhere else but on St. Thomas Redevelopment. Just your weekend has been going good so far. Continue to follow the channel to see updates like this, where you see all the positive things happening in the parish. Yeah. Cricket, put your head, no man. Cricket in there. Yeah. Cricket. Yeah, man. You know, work fast though. Yeah. Go on, man. I like what I see, you know. So this is part of the Southern Coastal Highway that will run from Harborview to Yalas. So guys, remember to subscribe to support the channel. Man, them hard at work. Excavator in the hills. So this is very much close to Yalas, and they are working. So a lot of people never know, so St. Thomas would have changed this drastic. Man, them are work hard. Guys, remember to subscribe to support. Only on St. Thomas Redevelopment you see things like this. A lot of work taking place. Guys, in the comment section, tell me what you think about this, how much this will impact the economic fortunes of the parish, how much it will change it, and what this basically will do for the people of the parish, because this thing is changing so fast. And the man work, you can see the excavator out there working away. You get a good view. So you can't say no see what going on in St. Thomas. You can't say things not happen. Things are happening. So you actually see it now. Most of you would have driven past this area. Basically, for some, this will reduce the traverse time in the parish. Open up areas that was never readily accessible. So this is pretty good. So, what do you think, guys? I think this is pretty good. Look at those areas. Man, them are line up them thing little by little. All that area that goes down to that side. Yep. Take a lot of work to do stuff like this though. No joke about it. Equipments and all them thing there. Monster work. Can see the excavator? Tell me if you can see it. Man, them are work, man. Work. Yep. So this is St. Thomas for you guys. Thank you for supporting the channel. To all the subscribers, especially those persons who are watching the advertisement, if I even 1 minute if you watch everything, just one. Give thanks as always. Thank you very much. We are now at 1100, close to 1200 subscribers. Thank you guys. So the man them has sent equipment up in the hills. So this is St. Thomas, Southern Coastal Area, currently under construction. See that?